All set now, ready to race. Race number 9. 1,200 meters is the distance. And the race on. Scarab from the outside is Madame Leonora. Himless Saga on the further outside. Midnight Break moving up by Daryl Squeeze. Tricky Charlize is racing on the outside. In between runners is Italia. City Girl Apo. Papato sneaking by Daryl. Midnight Break fourth last. And as they race the last 800, Scarab followed by Saga and by Daryl Squeeze, and inside the last 650, Scarab by a length and up as Squeeze running second. Saga, Tricky Charlize, Apo Papato is running in fifth by Daryl. Imless racing in 6th, 7th position. Number 7, Italia. City Girl as they race the final corner. Squeeze, Scarab on the outside. And Tricky Charlize running by Daryl. Apo Papato. Imless and City Girl. And nearing the finish line is Scarab from the outside. Tricky Charlize by Daryl. And nearing the finish line, Scarab, number 8, Tricky Charlize, Himless, Squeeze, and Saga.